Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best ratchet grinders is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any workshop, offering a unique blend of power and precision. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ratchet grinders, exploring their capabilities, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the nuances of these tools can significantly enhance your projects. Number 5. AVID Power 7.5 Amp 4 to 1 2-inch Angle Grinder. This AVID Power Angle Grinder is equipped with a 7.5 amp motor, delivering a max output of 900 W. It reaches a no-load speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute, perfect for your home projects, and it minimizes vibration. The package includes cutting wheels, grinding wheels, and a flap disc. You can also use diamond discs, which are sold separately, to work on tiles, stones, concrete, marble, and granite. The side handle provides extra control, and the tool weighs only 3.64 pounds, reducing fatigue during extended use. The two-position handle is designed for both hands, and the guard is adjustable for safety. This 4 to 1 2-inch grinder is compatible with most brands' wheel discs, featuring a 7/8-inch arbor with a 5/8-11 threaded spindle. The integrated spindle lock makes changing wheels quick and easy. The grinder uses a brushed motor, and replacement brushes are available when the original ones wear out. It is recommended to have a qualified repair person replace them. Do not use this grinder continuously for more than 30 minutes. It is recommended to run it for 30 minutes and then let it rest for 15 minutes. What we like. This angle grinder boasts a powerful 7.5 amp motor, making it ideal for various home projects. It comes with multiple wheel options for cutting, grinding, and polishing. If you're tackling metalwork or rust removal, this grinder's versatility and power will be a great help. You should consider this if you need a reliable tool for your DIY tasks. What people say. The grinder is very well made and works great. The ratchet mechanism is smooth and efficient. The grinder is easy to use and clean. Number 4. Kuhn Rikon Black Adjustable Grinder. Introducing the Kuhn Rikon Adjustable Ratchet Grinder. This innovative tool makes grinding salt, pepper, and spices incredibly easy. It's designed for everyone. The unique ratchet system is the key. Simply move the handle back and forth. This design is gentle on your wrists, making it perfect for anyone. Get the perfect texture every time. The ceramic grinding mechanism ensures a consistent grind, from fine to coarse. You can adjust it to your preference. Refilling is a breeze. The front door allows for quick and easy filling. You can easily see how much is left inside. Maintaining this grinder is simple. Just wipe it clean or wash it by hand. Remember, it is not dishwasher safe. With dimensions of 8.5 inches in height and 2.25 inches in diameter, it's a perfect fit for any kitchen. It is a must-have tool. What we like. This ratchet grinder features a unique ratchet operating system, making it easy on the wrists. It delivers a highly consistent grind, adjustable from fine to coarse. If you have difficulty with traditional mills or prefer an easier grinding experience, this is the perfect solution. You should consider this if you want a user-friendly and efficient spice grinder. What people say. The grinder is very well made. The ratchet mechanism works flawlessly. The design is very ergonomic and easy to use. Number 3. Kuhn Rikon Green Ratchet Grinder. This grinder is designed in Switzerland by Kuhn Rikon, ensuring top-notch quality. It's a testament to precision engineering and thoughtful design. Featuring a ceramic stone grinder, it's built to last. Unlike metal grinders, it won't corrode, ensuring the purity of your spices. Maintaining this grinder is simple. Just wipe it clean occasionally by grinding coarse salt. It's that easy to keep it in top condition. It's perfect for a variety of spices. Use it with salt, pepper, or any other spice you desire. It enhances the flavor of your dishes. Refilling is a breeze. The design makes it easy to add more spices whenever needed. It's convenient and user-friendly. What we like. Designed in Switzerland, this grinder features a ceramic stone that won't corrode. It's easy to refill and can be used with various spices. If you like a simple, elegant design and need a grinder for your kitchen, it's a great choice. You should consider this if you value quality and ease of use. What people say. It has a wide range in terms of the grind and is easy to adjust. I can't stand biting into big chunks of black pepper, so the finer setting is perfect for me for most uses. Whatever setting you use, I appreciate that it grinds very uniformly. This ratchet grinder works like a dream. Just an easy back and forth movement of the handle lays down a beautiful, uniform swath of perfect particles. Number 2. EXELAIR EX4405 KIT 44-piece Professional Air Tool Accessory Kit. This comprehensive kit from EXELAIR includes everything you need for various tasks. It's designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a wide range of tools for different applications. The kit features a powerful impact wrench with a maximum torque of 500 feet-pounds. It has adjustable forward and reverse power control settings, giving you complete control over your work. Included is an air hammer with 4,500 BPM and chisel point bits. Also, there's a 3/8-inch air ratchet with 60 feet-pounds max torque and 160 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for tight spaces. The kit also provides a 1/4-inch air die grinder with 25,000 revolutions per minute for detailed work. It also comes with a tire gauge that measures up to 50 psi, ensuring your tires are properly inflated. A blow gun with 8 CFM and a set of 3 nozzles is included for cleaning and other tasks. The kit also comes with M-style plugs, impact sockets, and other essential accessories. All of this comes in a blow-molded storage case. It also includes a collet, oil, tape, inflation needles, hand wrenches, and a spring retainer, making it a complete package. What we like. This kit includes a variety of air tools, such as an impact wrench and die grinder. It's a comprehensive set for various automotive and repair tasks. If you are looking for a complete set of air tools for your workshop, this kit is a great value. You should consider this if you need a versatile and professional-grade tool kit. What people say. The grinder is very well made. The ratchet mechanism works flawlessly. It is easy to use and clean. Number 1. Sur la Table Spice Ratchet Mill, White. This ratchet mill is a 2026 Good Housekeeping Award winner. It's a high-performance mill, perfect for grinding your favorite spices. The mill features a ceramic stone grinder. This means it won't corrode, and you can use it with salt, pepper, or any other spices you like. You can adjust the grind thickness with 5 coarse settings. Whether you prefer fine or coarse spices, it can meet your needs. Easily adjust the grind to your preferred thickness. This allows you to customize the texture of your spices to perfectly complement your dishes. Refilling the mill is a breeze with its front-loading door. Simply open it up and add your favorite spices whenever you need to. What we like. This ratchet mill features a ceramic stone grinder and adjustable grind settings. It's a convenient tool for your kitchen. If you like a user-friendly and efficient spice grinder with adjustable settings, it's a great choice. You should consider this if you want a versatile and easy-to-use spice mill. What people say. The grinder works great. The design is perfect. The function is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.